my beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, in this video, I will be sharing with you all an amazing anti-aging remedy that gives you a clean and bright skin at home. I hope you will find useful remedies for here. Kindly like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Let's move to the remedy. First ingredient, we need gram flour, which is also called besan. Take 2 tablespoons gram flour, besan, in a clean bowl. Besan has been used as an essential ingredient for ages to reduce the appearance of wrinkles. The wonderful thing about this natural product is that it can be used on all skin types. Besan helps to moisturize and hydrate your skin. Next ingredient, we add Multani Mitti, Fuller's Earth. Add 1 spoon Multani Mitti. Multani Mitti has excellent anti-aging qualities that reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and tighten the skin. It has both a cooling and tightening effect, helps reduce lines, wrinkles, and pigmentation while cleansing the skin. Next, we add sandalwood powder in this mixture. Sandalwood powder, which is also called chandan. Add 1 spoon sandalwood powder. It has anti-aging properties, rich in antioxidants. Sandalwood helps fight the damage that is caused by free radicals and thus prevents the formation of wrinkles. Next, we add wild turmeric powder, which is also known as kasturi haldi. Add 1/4 spoon of wild turmeric powder in this mixture. Mix all the ingredients well together. Kasturi manjal, or wild turmeric, is a nature's treasure for its natural glow-enhancing properties. The magical spice is an excellent anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, antibacterial and anti-aging agent. It works like magic in averting wrinkles and fine lines and hyperpigmentation. Next, we add potent ingredient, that is potato paste, in this mixture. Add 2 spoon of potato paste. Potato paste, which is known for its skin brightening and lightening properties. Potatoes contain vitamin A, B and C, which brightens your skin. Potatoes are effective at diminishing premature signs of aging and tightening the skin. At last, we add yogurt or curd in this mixture. Add 2 spoons of curd. Curd helps maintain the elasticity of your skin. This also means that it helps slow down skin aging, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Mix all the ingredients well combined until face pack remedy is formed. Hey friends, write down from which city you're watching my videos. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe to my channel. Be sure your face is clean. Always wash your face with mild cleanser. Apply mild cleanser on your face and massage it with gentle hands for 2 to 3 minutes. Wash it off with water and pat dry with towel. Now, our skin brightening Multani Mitti face pack is ready. Apply this face pack evenly all over your face and neck area. Wait for 20 to 30 minutes until face pack is dry completely. After drying, wash it off with tap water. Pat dry with soft cloth, and apply your favorite serum and moisturizer. You must always apply sunscreen on your skin in daytime. Using sunscreen regularly helps protect your skin from UV light and all its harmful effects. Natural remedies always gives effective and positive results. So, be patient and do consistent on remedies. You will get 100% results. For best results, use this remedy 2 to 3 times in a week, and you will achieve clean and bright skin at home. Thanks for watching, and share your valuable experience with us in comment section. Kindly like, share, and subscribe to our channel DIY Nature's Glory.